If you're like me and have tons of dirty Cricut mats, here are a couple ways to clean your mats and resticky them.
There are various supplies that you will use to clean your mat. Here are a couple of the ones that I will use in this video. There's the LA Awesome Oxygen Orange, but however you can also use the yellow one. There's microfiber cloth, two-way glue, baby wipes, and a scraper. You want to scrape any debris using your scraper or a credit card. Roller can also be helpful to get off some of the debris and extra materials that might have been left behind. Baby wipes are great for dirt. LA Totally Awesome sprays are great for cleaning dirt and grime off your mat. After applying the spray, use a microfiber cloth to wipe off the dirt. After you get off all the dirt and debris that you can wash it with soap and warm water. Two-way glue is a great tool for resticking your mat. When your mat is dry, just put it on like this.